Hello guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your message on LinkedIn. So for this you have to go first on your LinkedIn account, and in this page, home page, you have to go for your profile over here and just click on it and go for settings and privacy. Okay, it's loading. Wait for a second. Uh-oh. So in this list, you have to just go this data privacy option and scroll down, and then you can see a message option here. Just click on it and you can your manage your messages from here. You just turn this off when message request if you want, and your email messages and sponsored messages. Just when you are done with this, just go for back and it's done. So that's it. This is how you can manage your messages on LinkedIn. So I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.